Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we can see another interesting SQL problem. Let's assume that we have a dancer and we have a partner name. So in order to participate in the dance competition, each dancer has to register with his partner name, and partner also registered with his dancer name again into the same table. So that's how we can get the duplicated in the tables. Okay, so we can see the duplicated pairs. If you see last three records, these are the duplicated pairs for the first three records. So we have to remove these duplicated records and we should make the table with the unique pairs. So how we need to see that? Let's check our output and we can confirm it. If you see the output has a unique pairs with the dancer name and the partner name. If you have an answer, please let me know in the comment section, or if you are looking for an answer, please check out my full length video on this. And if you find any of such interesting questions during your interviews or anywhere, so please share in the comment section. Thank you.